Hey friends, this is Jake here, and today we make it to tip number 10. Can't believe we made it here. You get another tip today in how to make a friend. Here we go. And in today's tip, tag along. If you just have one person that you can think of that is maybe an acquaintance or someone well known that you used to know before and you're not so close, this video might be for you. And for those who don't necessarily have that acquaintance or that friendship or just, that one person they can think of, go check out my other videos. I'll list everything up here when it comes to my playlist and in the description below. I want you to go back to a time where you felt like you were able to ask someone like, hey, can I come along? That's exactly what I'm talking about. Asking to tag along can take a lot of energy out of someone when you're worrying about the process of being denied from being tagged along. But again, it's all a process. So think about that one person, send them a message, ask them, how are you doing? What have you been up to? What are you doing this week? See where the conversation goes, and then ask, do you think I could tag along? So a step-by-step would be to pull out your phone, send a message to who you think would respond back to you, and to someone who you know goes out pretty often, or you assume that they do because of the history you've had with them. That's a good place to start. And then from there you wait for their response and see if it turns into a short time dialogue, and then from there ask, do you think I could tag along? From here it's up to you how deep you want to get. I've worked with a lot of people where they would say, do you think I could tag along? And it works out just fine. And then there's some people who might give a little bit more. Do you think I could tag along? I've been pretty lonely lately. Pandemic has really shut me out of my normal life. This is kind of me reaching out. It's an admirable thing to do. Asking to tag along isn't everyone's favorite activity to do, but it's better than doing absolutely nothing or wondering what if, because those what ifs don't necessarily happen until you put some sort of action into it. And I think that you can. The benefits of this is 1, you're getting out of your comfort zone. 2, you're changing up your atmosphere a bit. You're trying to get out there. 3, you're working on your interpersonal dialogue with individuals that might seem like strangers now, but hopefully you're able to develop those relationships soon enough. You just go at your own pace. Don't have me tell you how fast or slow you need to go. I'm just trying to give you the building blocks to start. So there you have it. We've made it to tip number 10. I hope this video again was helpful for you. It's another reminder for me that if I'm ever feeling shut out, if I'm feeling alone, if I'm feeling I'm personally deteriorating when it comes to my mental health, I gotta reach out, because if I don't, silence. And where's the fun in that? And there you have it. That's today's tip. I hope the instructions were helpful for you today. And remember, take care.